See if we get
Okay, video's gone. So we're doing accuracy test right now. This Tropicana can filled with water is our target, and each of us is gonna look through our built-in sights and see who can hit it.
Well, you got a scope.
Yeah, I do have a
Hardly
scope,
fair.
so I'm probably at the advantage. All right.
Well, I'm white. That gives me more of an advantage than you because I can see it on the sights.
Shut up. Semi. So you go first. Using plastic sights.
Hit. You.
Alright. Hit.
Me. Hit. You.
Hit. Hit. Hit.
You know what? Screw this Tropicana one. Shit, what the fuck? Oh, my mag isn't feeding. I need to wind it. Sorry about this long period of winding, but this gun, you wind it a lot. Alright, I'm going for it.
Alright. That was a steady stream of BBs. Dang.
Look at that dang. Too bad we can't. You know what? If we can't break it, I'm just gonna beat it.
Yep, that's what we're gonna do.
We're gonna beat it until it breaks. Dry firing again. Yeah. You're hitting me, dude.
You were hitting me too.
You don't think it.
Yeah, that hit me like.
I got a headshot off of him.
Yeah, we have pretty good groupings. The BBs are all hitting in the same place for me.
Yeah, these are all hitting around the same place for me. And I'm the one on fully auto. Hold up, hold up, hold up. Don't fire.
Yeah, I think you got it.